So guys, today's recipe is going to be an easy one. It's a one panner. We're going to make some barbecue chicken pineapple bake. Or it sounds better when you say barbecue pineapple chicken bake. Yeah. So here in this big bowl, I have some chicken breasts that I've cut up into some chunky sized pieces. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add my seasonings. I'm adding in some onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, a little bit of smoked paprika, and some Lawry's seasoning salt. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add in my favorite barbecue sauce, which is some Sweet Baby Ray's. So now we're just going to go ahead and cover this up and let it sit for about 30 minutes to an hour. Now for the rest of the ingredients, you're going to need some sliced onions. You're going to need some bell pepper. I'm using all the colors to make it look pretty. And then here I have one jalapeño that I've seeded. Now if you want the spice, you can leave the seeds, but I took the seeds out. And then here I have some fresh pineapple. Now you can use frozen pineapple if that's all you have, but I'm using some fresh pineapple because I had some in the fridge. Here are a few other ingredients I'm going to use. Some brown sugar, more seasoning, and olive oil, and a little bit more barbecue sauce. So here in my baking dish, I'm going to go ahead and basically layer all of the ingredients in this baking dish. I'm going to go ahead and add my sliced onions to the bottom. Next, I'm going to layer on that barbecued, marinated chicken. You see that notification bell? Go ahead and click it and set it to all so you can be notified whenever I post a video. And then we're going to go ahead and throw in those bell peppers. Now you just need 2 bell peppers. I had a bunch of bell peppers, so I just kind of cut up all the colors to equal out 2 whole bell peppers. And then we're going to throw in our pineapple, and we're just going to mix everything together. Like I said, you don't have to layer it in any type of order because you're just going to mix it up. So after you get everything mixed well in your baking dish, we're going to go ahead and sprinkle on those jalapeños on top. And then we're going to add more barbecue sauce to the top. I'm going to sprinkle on a little bit more seasoning, and then I hit it with a little bit of olive oil just to get those onions and bell peppers and pineapple nice and toasty and caramelized. And when it's done, you have a one-pan meal, you guys. Throw this over some steamed white rice, and it reminds me of a sweet and sour chicken. It's really, really good and easy. Yum.